So quality as a mindset is something which starts every day, every morning, when you get into the plant or even when you get to CPHI and you see things which are not according to standard. You ask people to clean certain things up. We have a lot of procedures, automation in place, which guarantee quality, but in the end, a lot is still dependent of the people working with the product and working with the equipment. So risk assessment is really also part of a quality mindset. You look at certain circumstances, you try to identify what are the hazards, you want to see how often does it happen, can we detect it, what is the probability of it happening, and you try to reduce that risk. Putting processes in place which are stable, which don't show a lot of variation, and it's all about the process control that we can, if requested, provide a product at the higher or at the lower end of the range. So when pharmaceutical companies select an excipient supplier, or Lonza as an excipient supplier in this case, they really should see, they should look at what GMP levels we have as a company. Every pharmaceutical company needs to do a risk assessment of the excipients they use, and they need to partner with somebody who can provide them sufficient information to perform that risk assessment with a high degree of certainty or with a minimum amount of risk which is left. If I just look at the empty capsule business is present worldwide as well. So we have 8 manufacturing sites globally. So they are present in each continent. We deliver more than 200 billion capsules a year to customers all over the world. So there's no place in the world where you won't see Lonza capsules. Yeah.